Wonderful. Varieties of options to wash, good on clothes. Super silent at high spin and no wobbling during top speed. Elegant exterior look. Just buy it. Good looking, but not satisfied with the inlet pipe, which having 120 centimeters only. Also drain pipe length as small. The appliance is good, so far no problem. Packing nothing special, delivered with default packing by IFB. On-time delivery. One important note, my personal experience within this: do not buy the third-party spares like trolley and stand or washing machine cover as suggested by *Amazon* on product paw. Those are cheap quality in poor fit. I was not aware and brought those in regretting now. Rather buy from IFB, they have proper fit spares. Don't listen anything, what they said, just buy it. Very happy. But local IFB service is very bad. Nice. This is a fantastic washing machine grabbed from Amazon at a fantastic festival deal. Pros: 1. It's big. Suitable for joint families, households with 6 to 10 members with a penchant for cleanliness, you know what I mean. One full load in this machine can take care of all our daily laundry, extra dirty school uniforms, including a bedsheet or two. If you want to take up a weekend mega washing mission with all curtains, cushion covers, bed covers, bed sheets and pillow covers, it just obeys without a whimper. 2. The wash quality, simply put, unbelievably superb. This is a BMW among washing machines. Perfect robust engineering. Hassle-free long-lasting utility, giving you desired ROI for your money spent. We are using IFB Fluffy liquid detergent supplied by the IFB authorized service personnel. Clothes are clean, soft and fragrant after wash. 3. Water consumption is significantly less than any other washing machine. 4. Noise level is nearly zero. It's surprisingly silent. We are loading it and leaving it to work during the night wash programs or long, say 1.5 to 2.5 hours, and nobody is woken up by any noise. Smiley face. First thing in the morning, washed and 80% dry clothes are ready to iron. 5.1400 RPM is great speed, ensures you get nearly dry clothes, takes hardly 10 minutes to dry to 100% after taking out from the machine. Click link in description for more reviews.